So let's say you want to keep track of a group of wallets, not just a singular wallet, that all sort of share a common characteristic, whether it be trading patterns or token holdings or transaction behavior. This is where smart segments come into play. Smart segments can be found on the left, right below smart alerts. And what this does is it helps you create custom groups of wallets using Nansen's powerful filters. So you can group wallets based on their interaction with a specific token or participation in a given protocol, and so on. And so when you hit smart segments, you're welcome to this screen. And you can get started with some of our quick recipes, which we'll be adding more later. Or you can just get started by hitting create smart segment. Once you do that, you just have to add a condition. And let's say I want to do top holders of, actually, let's go with top holders of a given token. So then I can look for a token, or you can just type something in. Let's say I want to do it for virtuals. So I hit virtuals, and I want to look for the top 100. And as for the date, you can either input the date yourself or just find from a given date. So I'll say from February 2020. Once I press save, I can generate the segment. Just wait for a few seconds, and voila, you have a bunch of wallets that are filtered by the top 100 virtual holders. If I save the segment, I just have to give it a name, top 100 virtuals holders, and you can add a description if you'd like. And once you press save, the segment is already created. Now just take a few seconds for it to prepare for you. Once it's finished preparing, like that, you see it's already finished preparing, then I can go into this profiler. And now the smart segments has shown me this profiler that shows all of those given wallets that is filtered into this segment. And I have this clear overview dashboard that allows me to look through the transactions, the counterparts, overview, and so on. And so this is a really powerful way to group wallets that follow a specific behavior or interaction with a given token or NFT and group them all into a single segment. So it's much easier for you to follow through. So that's getting started with smart segments. Make sure to check out some of the other videos as part of this one-on-one series so you can use Nansen to surface the signal and create winners.